Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll be discussing with you about the triangle and its properties. Now, as you all know, a triangle is a three-sided closed figure. It has three angles, three sides, and three vertices. Now, there are some properties associated with the triangle. The first property is known as the angle sum property. Now, according to this property, the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So you can see this figure. This is a triangle. There are three angles, angle A, angle B, and angle C. The sum of these angles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C, is 180 degrees. The next property is known as the exterior angle property or the exterior angle theorem. Now, according to this property, the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. So you can see they have marked the exterior angle here and the opposite two interior angles A and B. So angle D is equal to angle A plus angle B. The third angle of the triangle is adjacent to angle D. So this is the adjacent angle. Now I'll be discussing a few questions based on these properties. According to the given question, in a triangle, an exterior angle at a vertex is 105 degrees and one of its interior opposite angle is 55 degrees. Find all the angles of the triangle. Coming to the solution, you can see I have made the triangle, and according to the question, it was the exterior angle is 105 degrees and one of the opposite interior angle was 55 degrees. So I have taken the other opposite interior angle to be x and the third angle of the triangle to be y. Now x plus 55 degrees is equal to 105 degrees. This is the exterior angle property. These are the opposite two interior angles and 105 is the exterior angle. On solving the equation, we get x is equal to 50 degrees. Now moving on, y plus 105 is equal to 180 degrees because this is a straight line and these two angles are adjacent to each other. They are forming a linear pair. So we get y is equal to 75 degrees. Therefore, the other two angles of the triangle are 50 degrees and 75 degrees. The next question, one of the exterior angle of a triangle is 120 degrees and the interior opposite angles are in the ratio 1:2. Find all the angles of the triangle. So in this question, the ratio is given. So for this, we'll follow the following method. Let the common ratio be x. Now I have taken the ratio to be x, but the angles were in the ratio 1:2. So multiplying by x, we'll get one angle to be x and the other angle 2 into x, 2x. I have taken the third angle of the triangle to be y. Now coming to the property, exterior angle property, 2x plus x will be equal to 120 degrees. This is the exterior angle property. On solving, we will get 3x is equal to 120 degrees or x is equal to 40 degrees. Like the previous question, y plus 120 degrees will be 180 degrees. This is a linear pair. On solving, we get y is equal to 60 degrees. If you see this question, triangle ABC and triangle ABC, we can also find y by the angle sum property. So whichever method you use, if your method is correct, you will come to the same answer. So after solving, I am getting y is equal to 60 degrees. But in the question, they had asked us to find all the angles of the triangle. So I have written the first angle. The first angle x is equal to 40 degrees. The second angle 2x is equal to 80 degrees. And the third angle y is equal to 60 degrees. For more practice questions, you can refer to your textbook. Thank you.